Nano Banana Pro was a huge hit, and now Google has released the next version, Nano Banana 2. But this time, it's not as easy to access for free. So I tested a few platforms and found 3 working ways to use Nano Banana 2 for free right now. And one of them is actually from Google itself, which not many people are talking about. So if you want to generate or edit images with Nano Banana 2 without paying, this video is for you. Let's get started. Before we jump in, just a quick note. Nano Banana 2 is now rolling out across Google tools and some partner platforms, so free access may change over time. In this video, I'm showing you the best free options that are working right now. So on the third spot, we have LoveArt. This is basically an all-in-one AI creation platform, and the good thing is that it already includes Nano Banana 2 inside its image generator. What you need to do is open the platform, start a new project, and then go to the image generator section. From there, you can choose Nano Banana 2 as your model. Now, the reason I like this platform is because it gives you more control compared to most free options. You can adjust things like image quality, resolution, aspect ratio. And that's actually very useful, because sometimes you want a normal image, and sometimes you want something more high-end for thumbnails, wallpapers, or social media posts. In fact, this is one of the few free options where you can even go up to 4K output, depending on your settings and available credits. Now, on the platform, you'll see it uses credits. LoveArt gives you 30 free daily credits, so every day you get some free generations to work with. If you want to save credits, you can reduce the quality settings a bit and generate more images that way. So, let me show you an example. For example, I'll type a prompt like, a cinematic still of a samurai warrior standing in a battlefield. Dramatic lighting, realistic, ultra-detailed. Then I hit Generate. So overall, if your priority is more control, better resolution, and even 4K style output, then LoveArt is a really solid option. But if you want something even simpler, and especially if you want to edit an existing image, then the next one is even more interesting. On the second spot, we have LM Arena. To access it, go to the Image Model section, open the Model drop-down, choose Direct, and search for Nano Banana 2. Once selected, you can either type a fresh prompt or upload your own image, and this is where it becomes very useful for creators. For example, let's say you already have a thumbnail, profile picture, poster, or any existing image. You can upload that image and then give it an edit prompt, like make him look happy, or change the background to a futuristic city, or add dramatic lighting and make it more cinematic. So instead of starting from scratch, you can directly improve something you already made. That is extremely useful for YouTube thumbnails, social media graphics, and creative edits. The output quality is very good, and in most cases, it gives around 2K level results, which is more than enough for most normal use cases like thumbnails and posts. And on the first spot, we have Google Flow AI. To use it, open Flow, start a new project, and go to the Image section. There you'll see Nano Banana 2 available for image generation. Now here's the crazy part. At the moment, image generation with Nano Banana 2 in Flow costs 0 credits. A lot of people think this only works on paid accounts, but that's not the case. Even on a free account, Flow gives you 150 daily credits, mainly for video-related features, while image generation with Nano Banana 2 is currently 0 credit. So you can keep generating images without using up those daily credits. And another thing I really like here is that you can generate 4 images at once, which is great if you want multiple variations quickly. So let's test it with a simple prompt. For example, a futuristic cyberpunk street at night, neon reflections, cinematic atmosphere, ultra-detailed. Then hit Generate. Once the results appear, you can see that your credits remain the same, because image generation is not consuming them right now. The base output quality is already good, and if you want, you can even download or upscale to 2K. That gives you cleaner and sharper results for practical use. And just like the other tools, you can also upload your own image and use Nano Banana 2 for editing. So it's not only text to image, it also works for image-to-image workflows. Honestly, this is the most powerful free option on the list right now because it combines direct Google Access zero-credit image generation, multiple outputs at once, image editing support, and optional 2K export. So if you only want to try one method from this video, start with Flow. So, yeah, that's how you can use Nano Banana 2 for free in 3 different ways. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more AI tools, free AI websites, and creator tutorials. And if you want, in the next video, I can also show you some of the best prompts for Nano Banana 2 to get better results for thumbnails, realistic images, and cinematic edits. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.